Click the Content tab. Navigate to the folder where the new web page will go. Click the New button. Click the Standard Page button. Select either a 1-column or 2 columns page type. 1-column pages work well for main section pages, and 2-column pages work well when a side navigation or other side column element should be present. Add a title for the page. The content title appears in Google search results and social media sharing. It is also used as the page's first heading. By default, the content title will display at the top of the page. It is optional to remove the content title from the display. Add a description of the page. Think of it as one descriptive sentence for your page. Please do not simply copy the content title here. The description appears in Google search results and social media sharing. By default, each page has a side navigation. It is optional to turn off the navigation. On 1-column pages, the side navigation will slide out from the left after clicking the navigation icon. On 2-column pages, the navigation appears in the left side column. It is optional to add an impact widget by selecting the type from the drop-down and selecting the path to the impact widget. This will appear in a large area at the top of the page, above the section and content titles, and directly below the site main navigation and header. It is optional to add social media groups to the page by checking the display Connect with Us and enter a path for the widget. This will display social media icons on the top right side of the page. It is optional to add right side drawers for anchor links and social sharing options. Side anchors, when selected, will automatically add all anchors in order of appearance on the page's main content areas. It will not display anchors within widgets. The side social share option will provide a list of common options for users to share the page to their social media account. It is optional to add right side drawers for anchor links and social sharing options. Side anchors, when selected, will automatically add all anchors in order of appearance on the page's main content areas. It will not display anchors within widgets. The side social share option will provide a list of common options for users to share the page to their social media accounts. The rest of the page is arranged with alternating widget and main content sections. You may add up to 4 widgets in each widget section. Widget rows will group all the widgets in that section in a block row, so the main content section below it starts underneath in a new row. If not selected, the main content section will flow up into the available space surrounding the widgets. When adding multiple widgets to a section, it is recommended to select the widget row, but if you only have one widget floating left or right, it is recommended to not select the widget row and let the content flow around it. It is optional to select Widget column to display the first set of widgets in a right column at the top of a page. You may add a column title, select a size, and add a link. Here's an example of how a column widget will display on a page. It is optional to turn any group of widgets 1.1 through 1.4, 2.1 through 2.4, or 3.1 through 3.4 into a row of widgets. You may add a row title, select a size, and add a link. To add a widget, select the widget type from the drop-down menu. Browse for an existing widget in the Path to Widget area. Select the widget size. Select the widget position. It is optional to add a border around the widget. Repeat those steps for each widget added to the page. Between each widget section is a main content section. By default, the main content section 1 is active. It is optional to add or remove main content sections 1, 2, and 3, and the side content section, which displays in the left column of 2-column pages. Give your page a file name. Do not enter a file extension, and make sure to only use lowercase letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores. Click the Create button. Click the Edit Content button. Add your main text. You can include text, images, and snippets here. Click the Save button. When you're ready, click Publish. To edit, check out the page and click the Edit button. Click the Edit Content button. To edit the page properties and widgets, go to the Properties button. When you're ready, save and publish.